Hi guys, there's a question that arises and needs to be addressed. So the question is, why must I write an HTML document before a computer can understand what exactly I'm trying to say? So let me break it down like this. Computer is not like human being, so the language you and I speaks is quite different from what language the computer understands. It might be shocking to you that, but computer, when we go online, when we go on our website, we can search in different languages. Yes, we can search in different languages, and the computer is going to give us our answer based on our request of that particular language. But mind you, everything being displayed by the computer itself doesn't understand any of those things. The only language a computer understands is a binary language. So binary language simply means computer understand a set of codes. So there are some set of rules that the computer understand. If you don't give the computer that particular set of rules and condition, the computer will not be able to give you answer based on your instruction. So the computer only understands one simple language, which is what? Which is binary, 0 and 1. So then that is when the programmers, the scientists, the computer scientists now come up with ideas that, okay, fine, if the only language the computer understands is binary, then we need to have a set of rules that we can give to the computer so that the computer can give us back whatever the information we require it to give us back. So that is where the development of different languages in computer science, that is where their birth came up. So if you want to write a document, hypertext markup language, which is HTML, you want to write a document, you need to write it in HTML. Well, everything you want to write in HTML need to be enclosed in a tag code, so that when you put it on your website or when you want to render it on your system, the system will be able to see it and render it back to you the way you are going to understand it. Not particularly that the system or the computer is understanding whatever the document be passed to it. No, but because all the document, all the content has been encoded with a particular code that the computer understands. So you will spoil it back to you based on how you give it to it. So that is why most times when you make some mistakes, when you make some error in your document, the computer doesn't know whether you have made an error in your HTML file. So the computer won't able to edit it for you or to correct whatever the error is. So that is that is the reason why we need to write code. That is the essence of writing code. So also, we have different form of document. We are not just writing alone. So there is something we call styling. From graphic artists, you can understand that there's something we call styling as well. So you can't just write based on the fact that you just want to write. We also need to style whatever we are writing as well. So that's where we come up with the idea of CSS, cascading style sheet. So this particular program or this particular language is going to style whatever the document you've rendered on your website. So this is just the reason, because the web browser or your website, or you want to load it on any platform, it will not understand what you're trying to say. The computer will not understand it unless you write it in the form of code. So that is the answer to the question, why do we write code for whatever it is we are writing code for? So that is the essence. Because we want to make use of the computer to give us the result, and the computer doesn't understand our language, so we need to give it the language it understands, which is code. So that's why we write code. If not because of that, there won't be any need for us to write any code. So all we need to just do is to write the documents the way you write it normally and put it wherever you want to put it. But the computer that we want to make use of doesn't understand it, so we have to write code. So that is the answer. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like the video, and give it a thumbs up. You can also share it with your friends that needs this information. Thank you very much. See you in the next video. Bye bye.